Good morning to you. Good morning. Good morning. Tokunbo Olagbaye is my name, and welcome on my timeline. It's been a while that we have had the opportunity to come together on this YouTube page of mine. Tokunbo Olagbaye, my name has not changed. I welcome you on my timeline. I want to talk about access to public funds. Access to public funds meets the requirements. It is not many people that will have access to public funds when it comes to making an application to the government's parastatals, either housing, welfare benefits, transportation fares to be removed, access. There's so many things. NHS, having to take medication for free. Not everyone that will have access to free medication or free to access to welfare benefits or any other things you want to think of. But the major thing you have to bear in mind is that when renewing your status, the status comes with condition that you do not have access to public funds. And when it does come with condition in that manner that you do not have access to public funds, it basically means that you cannot draw anything that is free. You have to pay for it. You have to pay for it. You cannot draw anything that is free. No NHS medication, no access to transportation without payment, no access to benefit, no access to housing accommodation, and so many other things that you do not even understand. So to have access to public funds, you have to qualify. You must qualify. How do you qualify? For example, if you don't have indefinite leave to remain, you will not be automatically entitled to. If you don't hold British passport, you will not be automatically entitled to. So you have to look at those areas first. What status are you holding? What are the conditions that are attached to your status when you were granted? Think about those, because if you don't think about those, you will not be able to renew in time, or let me say, you will not be able to have access to public funds. So what you need to consider first, consider removing that conditions. If you want to have access to housing, access to public transportation, access to medication, for medical issues, you will ask the parastatals that controls that area to remove the conditions at the back of your card, at the back of your status. I said it in the beginning. If you are not holding indefinite leave to remain, or you are not having a British passport, which means you are not a citizen of the United Kingdom, or you are not settled yet, you can still have access to public funds. But there are ways to go about it. It has to be removed from your status. If it's still attached to your status and you access public funds incorrectly, you will end up breaching the rules that guide your status, and it may affect your further leave to remain in the United Kingdom. What do you need to do before you can remove the access conditions at the back of your status? You will have to contact me in the office on 0208 309 8808 0208 309 8808 for any form of immigration matters. Contact me, take consultation, and let us look at your conditions, your situations, and advise you in line with the government law, with the rules that comes with the access to public funds. We will advise you, and if you want to remain in the UK, you will still need to contact us so that we can advise you on the best way forward. The best way forward to look at your conditions and advise in line with that, because without that, you will be wasting money. So I urge you, my office numbers are 0208 309 8808. Yes, you can call and arrange for consultation. 0208 309 8808. Call my office, arrange for consultation, and you will be notified what to do. But you must arrange for consultation. 0208 309 8808. 0208 309 8808. My name has not changed. Leah Tokunbo Olagbaye. The WhatsApp number is 07908 628240. But I really do not have the time to deal with the WhatsApp during office hours because it's very distracting. So phone office directly, book appointment 0208 309 8808. Thank you very much. And we are all back to work now after all the observation and the mourning of the after the death of our sovereign lady, the Elizabeth II. We are now back to work successfully. We've taken all our black clothes, even though lawyers will still wear black clothes when we have court cases. But at least you can see it's shiny today on me because we've changed our clothes today. We finished mourning the deserved woman that deserved that from me. I am a real royalist, and nothing can change that for her, even though she's gone. But I am a royalist. I always have respect for kings and queens. And if you are a king or a queen, you will always have respect for your mates. So I want to thank God for that opportunity that He bestowed on me. So I have respect for all of them. So we finished that days of mourning in the United Kingdom, and we're back to work successfully. We are happy. Contact us in the office 0208 309 8808. I've always wanted to deal with student issues. I've always wanted to deal with it, but sometimes I pick it and drop it because sometimes they put themselves in the situation they are intentionally. That is why I do not want to deal with their matter. Students put themselves in the situation where they are intentionally. So there are cases sometimes I don't really want to treat it. I keep picking it up and dropping it because I want to treat those who are really in need of that situation that they are. I want to take them out and for the masses. But then when people intentionally put themselves in the problem they are, it's a bit difficult for me to sort them out. Although, having said that, I know what to do. But let them realize their mistake first, and then we take it on from there. 0208 309 8808. Until next time, Tokunbo Olagbaye. Bye for now. Join me on my Facebook page as well, Lawyer Tokunbo Olagbaye TV page. And also, if you have not subscribed here or you have not follow me on this YouTube, Lawyer Tokunbo. Also, you can join me on my Instagram, Lawyer Tokunbo, Instagram as well. Thank you. Bye for now.